Okay, now we're going to do a change out of this tool. There we go. You just need to take out one bolt. Lift it out. The setup has a precision fit, so go ahead. The die set's already made to fit in there. There's a yoke on top. Just have to remember when you set it up on the bench, the slugs are going to fall through here, and you need to have a hole for the slugs to fall at the bottom so they don't fill up and cause problems. Here's our second radius corner die set. There we go, looks beautiful. Now this one's free floating, no bolt. Okay. Yep. You want to do a different corner? We'll pull it, spin it around, we'll do another corner. Okay, spin it around again. This is a special custom radius notcher, 1 7/8. I think there's a 2 1/4. This one was at 1 1/2 inches. This is the big one. Radiuses are us. Nice clean radius, no burr. Looks beautiful. Punch Tools Porta Press.